So we have arrived at our lunch spot for today. We have now left Sines. We had that whole situation with the wastewater tap, but now we've sorted it. We feel so much more chilled, more relaxed. I think it's time for lunch. Laura's over there preparing our lunch. I don't know if you can see her. Hello.
Some wraps.
Yeah, and we have one of the best views. I don't think I've said where we are. We are just south of Sines, between Praia do Porto Covinho and Praia de Samuqueira. So let me just show you some views. We just can't express how grateful we are for these moments, and that is the essence of happiness, to be grateful for the little things. All we did is just rock up by the coast. That's it, and we're just having food. So, we are now at our next stop, Vila Nova de Mil Fontes. We really enjoyed our last stop, just north of Porto Covo. I think the beach was called Porto Covinho and Praia de Samuqueira, the Samuqueira beach. Yeah, it was really good. Hopefully you enjoyed the drone shots. One thing about this town is that it's not very van friendly or camper van friendly. So we've had to find this car park, and we're gonna leave the van here and go for a little wander by foot. So let's go. Are you ready?
Yes. I think what I like the most about this place in Mil Fontes is the sound of the birds. You can barely hear anything, but you can hear the birds all the time. Can you hear it? Can you hear it? So beautiful. So cute. It's so good.
What ice cream did you get?
The shop one, so it's called Mapi, so like stracciatella and mango.
And I got the mango and the passion fruit something. So,
Let me try the passion fruit.
it's the one on the bottom. It's good, isn't it? It goes well together.
This ice cream is so good. So, we are really in the middle of Alentejo now, as you can see, with all these farms. Loads of stuff growing around here. We stopped in this little village, Vila Mil Fontes. Vila Nova Mil Fontes. It's really cute and very quiet, even though there was lots of cars and all that. It just felt very quiet. We just went to the next one, which was Almograve, but we didn't really even stop. We could see that, you know, it wasn't. It was a similar one. There wasn't much going on, and then we wanted to stop at the beach, but camper vans weren't allowed in the parking near the beach, so we're going to our next stop now, which is Cabo Sardão, which is supposed to have a really nice view for sunset. So we'll see when we get there.
Good morning guys, it's day 3 here on our camper van adventure. We're just having breakfast and this is our view. It's not bad. We were trying to find a place last night where we could park up with a little view of the sea, and it was pretty difficult because the park here is not very camper van friendly. They don't let camper vans stay a lot of the time overnight, but we found this car park and they didn't say anything that we can park any camper vans or anything, so we stayed here the night and it had a nice view. You very excited?
Very.
Did you sleep well?
Yep. Surprisingly, yes. I think it's because I'm too tired when I go to sleep.
Yeah. This car park's on a bit of a slant. It's like, so this place is called Monte Clérigo, and this is where we're going to start our trip for the day. So let's go. So it's a little bit windy, but apparently this beach is really good for surf, and you can see why. So our original plan wasn't to go up to the castle, but we were walking around Algesur, and do you explain the rest?
Yeah, and we realized there was arrows all the way up to the castle, and it doesn't look like it's that far, so we're gonna go there.
It's going to be a lot easier on the way down.
Yeah, beautiful. Surfer vibes in
Where
the
are we?
beach. Playa de Arifana is really good for surfing. We may rent a board, surfboard, and a wetsuit.
We counted and there's like probably over 100 people in the sea right now.
Yeah, even kids. Look at that.
Yeah, the waves are pretty
Looks
good.
fun.
The waves are, it's like, you've got kind of intermediate sized waves, beginning, and then you've got like smaller waves for beginners. So I think it's going to be a good place for us to
Do a bit of surfing.
let's see if we can find a surf school that still has boards.
Yeah.
So we're here at our 5th stop of the day. So we're here at Praia de Cordoama. It's a beach very much resembles the last few that we've been on the Costa Vicentina. It's about 5:30, so there's not a lot of people left on the beach. So we just come here for a little walk and get to know another beautiful beach. So a lot of beaches. This is the 3rd one of today, right? No, 4th.
I lost count.
It all blends into one, to be honest. I think right now we're kind of just looking forward to getting to the Algarve and seeing a new, well, different coastline. And we've both been before, and we both really like it there, so that's why we're also very excited to go there. Did it! We have reached the end of the Vicentina coast, Costa Vicentina.
Cabo de São Vicente. Sergio is making dinner.
Hello, welcome to my kitchen.
Why do you speak Italian accent?
Talking Italian because I'm cooking pasta.
And we are gonna watch the sunset here.
I've never cooked with such a good view. It's quite nice. And dinner is served. Sorry, it's a big mouthful. So,
Nice, tasty.
how is it? This is what it looks like. It's tuna with a tomato sauce with some thyme and black pepper seasoning. So,
Very windy here.
yes, it is a little bit windy here, but it's okay. We are sheltered. You can feel the van shaking a bit. But yeah, we're about to have dinner. This is what it looks like. This is like our first proper dinner because last night we had leftovers.
Show the view.
And this is the view we have out of the van. We are going to hopefully watch the sunset down there in about 30 minutes or so. So we're going to finish our food. We timed it perfectly this time. Yay!
Finally.
Finally. Right, let's eat. Thank you for watching our Costa Vicentina and Costa Vicentina vlog. We hope you enjoyed it.
If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe our page if you want to follow more of our adventures.
Yes.
We are now in Algarve, Lagos, and yeah, we're going to explore a bit of South Coast now.
So keep an eye out for the next video, which should be on the Algarve. See you guys.
Bye!